Good morning students. Students, today we will do chemical properties of metals, how metals react with water. According to reactivity series, sodium and potassium, they are very reactive metals. So they react with cold water and the reaction is very violent reaction. Sodium react with water, that is cold water. It forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Reaction is exothermic reaction. So much heat is produced, hydrogen catches fire. You know that hydrogen is flammable gas. It catches fire. It burns. Similarly, potassium react with cold water and form potassium hydroxide, hydrogen gas which is liberated due to very strong exothermic reaction, it catches fire. Then comes calcium. Calcium react with water at room temperature and the reaction is less violent. Calcium react with water and form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. As you know, hydrogen gas is very light gas. So bubbles of hydrogen gas stick to the surface of calcium metal and hence it start floating on the surface of water. Then comes magnesium. Magnesium react with hot water, not with cold water or not with water at room temperature, but it react with hot water and the reaction is very less violent. It form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Magnesium, this hydrogen gas, again it will stick to the magnesium metal and it bring the magnesium metal on the surface of water. Magnesium, it also react with steam and it form magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. With hot water it form magnesium hydroxide, but with steam it form oxide, magnesium oxide. Similarly, aluminium, zinc and iron, they react with steam only to form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Here are the reaction. Aluminium react with water, not water but it is steam and form aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. Zinc react with steam and form zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Iron react with steam and form iron 2,3 oxide and hydrogen gas. Lead, copper, silver, gold, platinum, they do not react with water. They are least reactive metals. Then is reaction with acids. So here I will be taking HCl acid. Reaction with HCl acid. Very reactive metals, sodium, potassium react with HCl acid and the reaction is very violent reaction. Sodium react with HCl, forms sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. Similarly, potassium, it forms potassium chloride and hydrogen gas. Calcium react with vigorous reaction is there but less than potassium and sodium. It forms calcium chloride and hydrogen gas. Magnesium react quite rapidly but very less violent reaction. It forms magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Aluminium reacts slowly with acid first because magnesium has a very protective layer of aluminium oxide around it. Aluminium has great affinity towards oxygen, so it reacts with oxygen and form a protective layer of aluminium oxide around it. So first this layer is removed, then the reaction it is fast. Aluminium react with HCl, form aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas. Zinc react very slowly with acids to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Iron, it also react very slowly and form this ferrous chloride and hydrogen gas. copper, mercury, silver, gold, they do not react with acids. They are below hydrogen in the reactivity series, so they cannot displace hydrogen from acids. Yes, students, the most important thing is if dilute HNO3, nitric acid, is used in place of hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, no hydrogen gas is evolved. The reason is nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It means that it oxidizes hydrogen gas which is evolved into water, and itself it reduces into oxides of nitrogen such as nitrogen peroxide, nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. But magnesium and manganese, these two metals react with very dilute nitric acid to evolve hydrogen gas. Here are the reactions. Magnesium, it reacts with very dilute nitric acid to give magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas. Similarly, manganese, symbol is Mn. It reacts with very dilute nitric acid to give manganese nitrate and hydrogen gas. Gold and platinum, they do not react with any pure and strong acid like HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3. These two metals do not react with any of these acids, but they can dissolve in a mixture of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 taken in the ratio 3:1 by volume. This mixture is called aqua regia, which is in Latin word it means royal water. Aqua means water. Aquaguard, that is to protect water we are using aquaguard. Aqua means water. So it is royal water. Now what is this royal water? This aqua regia, it is a highly corrosive and fuming liquid. It corrodes the metals because of formation of nascent chlorine. Nascent chlorine is atomic chlorine. Chlorine otherwise it exists in diatomic form, that is Cl2. But nascent chlorine is atomic chlorine which attack gold and platinum. So this is aqua regia, 3 volume of concentrated HCl and 1 volume of concentrated HNO3. It gives nitrosyl chloride NaCl plus water plus chlorine, 2 atoms of chlorine, and it exists in atomic form, so it is nascent chlorine. Now this nascent chlorine when react with gold, it forms gold 3 chloride. Valency of gold is 3 here. It reacts with platinum. Valency of platinum is 4 and chlorine is 1. So it forms platinum 4 chloride. So they are this aqua regia is very corrosive in nature and it corrodes the gold and platinum metal. Thank you.